Hey, it's ytlourdesalden. I'll be doing a makeup tutorial inspired by Olivia Rodrigo from Good For You music video, and let's right get into it. I'll be priming my eyes and my face with the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. The eyeshadow I'll be using today is the ColourPop eyeshadow palette in that taupe, and I'll be using the shade Pebble Beach on my eyelids and lower lash line and crease. To add some dimensional to my eyes, I added snake eyes on the inner part of my eyelid and strapping at the center and blending everything out afterwards. Smudging Pebble Beach onto my lower lash line and then blending everything out. Lining my upper lash line with the shade Bedrock for that natural, subtle look. For false lashes, I'll be using the Ardell Naked Lashes in the style 421 with the Duo Lash Glue. For foundation, I'll be using the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hydraulic Tinted Foundation. To cover my imperfections, I use the LA Pro Coverage Concealer in Natural. Contouring my entire face with the LA Pro Coverage Concealer in Espresso. Using the e.l.f. Putty Blush in the shade Turks and Caicos for that youthful look. Highlighting parts of my face with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in Golden Flower Crown. Setting parts of my face with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Loose Powder in Translucent. For lip gloss, I'll be using the Nano Lip Treatment in Lemonade and Lip Liner ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade Bumble. And then onto the outfit details. Bodysuit is from Princess Polly, corset is from Nasty Gal, skirt is from Princess Polly, shoes are from Ross, the gloves are from Amazon, and then here's a full body shot of my whole outfit. And that's it for the video. I hope you guys like this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!